Hello, my name is Fabian, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the beginner crochet kit from Inscraft on Amazon. This kit comes with 30 skeins of acrylic yarn, a user manual, crochet hooks, a bag, and a lot of notions. So let's get into the review. First, let's get the yarn. So we have our yarn colors, but the one thing that I'm noticing is that nowhere on the packaging does it say what size crochet hook to use. So I am just going to be using a 5mm hook from my own stash, and so let's get into the swatches. First was the red. It was the scratchiest yarn I have ever worked with, and oh dear lord, were my dry hands just not vibing with it. Next was the green. It was a little bit softer, but still scratchy, and my hook just did not like it. Next was the blue. Now, just like the last one, it was a little bit softer, but still scratchy. And last was the orange. It was the softest of all of them, but oh dear lord, was it separating and catching on my hook, and it was just very unpleasant to work with. So the yarn is not so good, but maybe the hooks can save this kit? I will be testing the 5mm hook and the 6mm hook with two of my most used yarns, the Wool Ease DK from Lion Brand and the Off the Yak yarn from Knit Pal. I will first be trying the 6mm hook. Immediately, the yarn is dragging on the hook, and I really don't like how short the neck of the hook is, and God, the yarn is making an audible sound on the hook. Okay, so this hook is rough to work with. It is definitely usable, but the yarn catches on the aluminum and it drags really, really bad. And the short neck of the hook is going to cause some major issues if you're working with a bigger project, or if you're trying to do a treble crochet. So far, I don't like the hooks. Let's see if the 5mm hook is any better. Just like the last one, the yarn is making an audible sound on the hook. And oh my god, are the fibers catching against this aluminum. It's making the hook almost stutter. God, I can't even get through this swatch. These hooks are bad, and I mean bad. They are borderline unusable for so many reasons. Number 1, my hook kept snagging. Number 2, it was making an audible noise against the yarn. That is something that has never happened to me before with the hooks that I normally use. So yeah, these hooks are straight doo-doo. Okay, just to say I did, I'm going to try out the stitch markers, the scissors, the row counter, and the darning needles. I need a swatch to try this stuff out, so let's try it out. So the notions are decent, all of them are usable, especially the darning needles. The darning needles are pretty swag in my opinion, but that's mostly just because they're metal and not plastic. But overall, this kit is unusable, because the main two things that would make it usable, aka the yarn and the hooks, are trash. They're horrible, and the hooks are unusable. At least to me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in any more semi-trashy review videos, go ahead and check out my yarn review video, which is linked in the description. But yeah, have a great rest of your day, and happy stitching!